On this trip, we're packing for an Alaskan cruise. Let's go. This is everything I need for my Alaskan cruise. I've got it all laid out, ready to pack in my suitcases. Ready to pack? We've got Alaskan wear. Juno! We've already been there. Bringing this with me. Inside passage. Hello, I've been there. Ready to wear this. Wait a second. It says Holland America. Does that mean I'm on a royal ship this time and I need to buy royal? Oh man. I may have to buy another shirt. Very specific outfit I wear on airplanes. These are some awesome travel pants I found on Amazon. And this black, like 3/4 inch sleeve shirt. You'll see me wearing it tomorrow, but I always lay this out the night before so I can put it on for my flight the next day. This, my good friends, is a hamper. I love it. It lays flat in my suitcase, and I throw all my dirty clothes in here, and at the end, I just put it right into my suitcase. So I love this thing. Those little packing cubes. When I get onto the ship, I don't have to take my socks out and put them in a drawer. So this is a 7-night cruise, and we are going hiking, and I do like to walk a lot. So I'm getting my hiking socks in here, all of my other hiking types of socks, putting them in here, and then when we get to the cruise ship, all I will do is take this out of my suitcase and put it directly onto one of the shelves. Makes it super easy. Love it. My bras and underwear, they're in here. I'm not showing you that. This is my hiking cube. I can zip this closed and compress everything that's in here. So I'm gonna put all of my hiking stuff in here. I've got an insulated, cool wicking pair of pants. I also have a lighter pair of hiking pants. So I may use one of those. I have my hiking shirt. Wear an orange vest or bring it with me because you never know when you need people to be able to see you. And I have face covering because you never know if you're going to need that. Wind, rain. I've got 2 pair of socks, a hiking pair and a backup pair. This is also from Cool, K-U-H-L. I absolutely love this jacket. I do have a rain jacket that I will pack separately, but also in my hiking gear, I have my first aid kit, gauze, a flashing light. This flashes, ooh, that's bright. Also has an emergency flash on it if we need it. An SOS signal. So I'm bringing this because you never know if you need it, and tissue. So this is all of the stuff that I take on hiking. I also have a Ziploc baggie that I will throw in here with some snacks that I'll grab from the cruise ship that we can take along, possibly. I don't want to attract any bears, but I will take a Ziploc baggie as well, because if we use anything, I'll put it in the Ziploc baggie so we can leave no trace. All right, so I'm zipping it up, and then I can also compress it even more by zipping up the other zipper, and it will make this really compact inside my suitcase. So it's probably about half the width as it was before. So all of my hiking gear is in here that I use to hike, minus my backpack that I put some of the stuff in. Okay, this is my shoe case. This is a small Tumi bag. I have my shoes that I use around the track. I have my shoes that I use on the balcony and to go get coffee in the early morning. I have foot issues, so I can't really be doing like track walking on the ship with these, but I can with these, and they kind of are smelly tennis shoes. And so, yeah, I put those in here in my shoe case. And then I have my hiking boots for hiking. I pack them individually. These have a lot of mud on them. And then I put my hiking gear right in here with my hiking boots. So this is my shoe case. I am a Platinum Delta member, so I'm able to check 3 bags. So I will be checking all of my shoes on the plane. And I like to keep them separate because they smell. And this bag is swimwear, shorts, and workout wear, and workout t-shirts. That's what I put in this bag. In here are my jackets and items I want to hang up when I get to the room off the cruise ship. It's not totally packed with stuff. I probably could have brought a little bit more, but it's really not necessary. And there we go. Super compact, easy to put into my suitcase. It's time to pack the sweaters. So typically I can't decide what I'm gonna wear. These 2 I took in and out of my my decision list of what I wanna wear, so they're just going in. Here is a small one I'm gonna put on this side. This is a heavier one I'm gonna put here. And then we are going to pack this up, zip it up, and make it really small. I think I will even put my Juno hoodie over here on the side. So let's get this zipped up. Look at, it doesn't even look like, man, we're gonna make this compact. This is gonna be cool. Then we do the compression zipper. Gotta sit on it. Zipper stuck, hold on. That's the problem. Zipper stuck. Oh my gosh, I'm breathing heavy. Just because I'm indecisive. Gotta use these packing cubes. All right, I think that's good enough. I'm giving up. I can't get this packing cube all tightened like I want, so it's good enough. There we have it. My 3 bags for the cruise. My carry-on, my shoe case I'm checking, and my big suitcase, which I think is overweight. But I got everything in there. And now we're ready to go to my favorite Sky Club lounge at Delta at the Detroit airport and fly to Vancouver, meeting up with the rest of the fam who was also on the flight with us for our Alaskan Cruise. There are a few other items that I take with me when I go on a cruise. One of them is my universal plug because there are always European outlets and other style plugs, and so I have a universal plug that I take with me. I also bring hooks. I like to put hooks up on the wall. I mean, the entire cabin is magnetic, so I like to put hooks up on the wall. One by the balcony, so I have a jacket that I can grab and put on and off when I go out there. I also bring a hanging container for all of my toiletries that I hang up in the bathroom. This is our room and our ship. We are on Brilliance of the Seas, going on a family reunion to Alaska. For now, it is bon voyage. Cheers! As we make our way to Alaska. Please like and subscribe. There are a lot more Deb's Travel Vibe videos coming your way. And thank you for watching my channel.